Hi, bud. Did you get a fish?
Yeah.
Okay, keep reeling.
Okay.
Go ahead. Are you still scared?
No, I'm
No?
not scared.
Not scared anymore? Let's see. Let's see. Wow, you really got one. Come here. Come here. Get it close to Daddy. You'll fall. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait. No, don't be scared. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how big is your fish.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead. Reel it a little bit more. Reel it.
Okay.
Reel it more. I think it's small. Oh, it's big. Whoa! Whoa! There you go.
There we go.
Are you still scared?
No.
No.
Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
Okay, I'll get.
Hold on, Daddy.
Okay. Whoa. Wow. That is a good one.
Yeah.
High five! High five! High five, buddy. Oh, there you go. Good job. Got one?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say this is my second catch, Camo.
My second cat. He's jumping in my hat.
I know. Good job, bud. All right.